Tired of juggling 5 different AI subscriptions just to get one project done? What if you had everything in one place for less than the cost of a single app? For just around $8 a month, you get access to major LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, under one roof, plus over 500 specialized AI tools built for tasks such as literature review, data summarization, report drafting, and cross-model comparisons. No jungling subscriptions, no multiple tabs, just one workspace focused on research. Click the link down in the description and create your account, choose the package, and you get a 7 days refund policy. So if you don't like it, you can get your money back risk-free. Now, let's log into the account and see from the inside how Y10X really works for your research workflow. You pick your preferred model and you can even compare multiple of them side by side in the chat arena. You can even use dedicated agents, one for scanning and summarizing papers, one for creating visuals from data, one for generating citations or legal content. Everything happens inside one interface: research, draft, refine, and export. And let's do an example. I will write here, write me a copyright for the website of my SaaS business, jumpstartconverts.com, and I click enter. The model I chose is GPT-5, and you can see the end result. So what I can do now is, if I want to compare different models, I can use the same prompt and go to the chat arena. And for example, decide, you know what? I want to compare DeepSeek with GPT-5. Type my message, and I have both models doing the same prompt, and I can choose which one I like the most. And when you even go on Agent Builder, you can build your own agent here. When you click Create Agent, you can choose LLMs to get started. For instance, you know what? I want the Claude 4.0. So I choose Claude 4.1 Opus on LLM. Then I can choose the category. You know what? I want it for marketing and SEO. Then I name my agent, for example, SEO Expert. I give it a short description and here a custom prompt. Now in the custom prompt, you have the description also that you set your agent's brain. This prompt defines the role, tone, and how it interacts with users. Think of it as the agent's internal instructions. So here you can get as in-depth and as you want. If I want, I can also put an agent image, and then I just publish the agent. And as you can see, my agent is ready. We are waiting for the review, and I can start using the agent for the specific task and prompt I gave it to. Why does this matter? Traditional research tools are fragmented and expensive. Switching between apps slows you down. Y10X consolidates everything at even a lower cost. Rapid iteration. When you can test multiple models or agents in minutes, you accelerate your insight generation. And it's better for outputs because you can compare how the models respond and choose the best result for your research or report. With a fraction of the normal price with all these AI tools, Y10X is ideal for students, academics, freelancers, small teams doing research, writing papers, preparing briefs, or even building marketing insights. Test which model understands your field best, whether you're researching for crypto, biology, or business strategy. And you can even build your own agent with custom prompts tailored to your field, whether it's science, marketing, law, etc. And if you're a student or institution, the Future Ready free program offers you a lifetime 50% discount. Just click the link down in the description and get started today. Get ChatGPT 5 and all other top AI models in one place for just $8 a month today, and also a 15% off on all plans. Click the link down in the description and get all the AI tools with the 15% discount today. Are you ready to upgrade your research process? Go to i10x.ai, log in, pick a model and the research agent. Start your first project right now and feel the difference. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel and leave in the comments any questions you may have and we will answer them for you.